So they were just hiring, and this was back prior to the whole managed IT side of things. Granted, this is 25 years ago, so it was still the 90s. So we interviewed for just a copier technician. They were looking for a Syracuse technician, and I had showed enough aptitude to be able to figure out the copier side of things, and every bit of that I learned on that was through on-the-job training. In my previous job, I was the guy kicking the front of the copier when it said cleaning wires or out of toner. I had no idea what any of that meant. So as fate would have it, that came back to get me for kicking the machines, and so now I was the guy fixing them. I've seen industry revolutions in the 25 years that I've been here, like from copiers just being standalone copiers to printers to scanning devices. Yeah, that's all happened in the last 25 years. We take it for granted now, but that was a pipe dream when I started. I had the opportunity to install some Zoom rooms in Times Square on the 44th floor of a client in Times Square. One of the conference room that we installed the system at looks right down on the ball for New Year's Eve. And we're like, I'd never realized that was there. We go into this conference room, I look out the window, I'm like, that's the New Year's Eve ball. It's right there. And that was probably, as far as location, granted we don't do a whole lot of work in Manhattan, but that was an opportunity for a client that has multiple offices to install our services right in the heart of Manhattan. So that was probably the coolest install I've done. Yeah, Usherwood has supported me in my career here with just unending options of what I can do and am able to do. So I think now that we've gone a little more diverse in our line of business offerings, is there's so many different avenues to pursue, and there's tons of challenges in each. To say that it was all planned, that I strategically picked this company because it was a great company, no, I was just looking to get away from where I was, and I hit the jackpot.